Doorbell Troubleshooting, Safety and Fixes.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting question many homeowners might come across. Is it safe to keep using my doorbell if it's ringing on its own? I'll be providing you with insights into the safety concerns and potential fixes for this peculiar problem.
What could be causing your doorbell to ring on its own?
When a doorbell starts to ring on its own, this is often due to a faulty switch or wiring issue. Moisture, dirt, or wear and tear can cause a doorbell switch to stick in the on position, leading to intermittent or continuous ringing. Alternatively, there could be a short in the wiring, which could be caused by frayed wires or a surge in your home's electrical system.
Is it safe to keep using a doorbell that rings on its own?
The short answer is, it depends on the exact problem. Generally, if the doorbell is ringing because of a faulty switch, it's typically safe to keep using it while you arrange for a replacement or repair. However, if the issue is due to a wiring problem, there might be a potential fire hazard. Electrical shorts can lead to overheating and, in the worst-case scenario, a fire. If you suspect this to be the case, it is highly recommended to disconnect your doorbell and call a professional electrician.
How can you fix a doorbell that's ringing on its own?
Firstly, consider safety. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's best to call a professional. However, if you feel confident in doing so, here are some steps you can follow. 1. Inspect the doorbell button. Clean any dirt or debris that might be causing the button to stick. 2. Check the wiring. Look for any frayed wires or signs of a short. 3. Test the doorbell transformer. Use a multimeter to ensure your doorbell's transformer is working correctly. Remember, if you're at all uncertain or if the problem persists, it's best to call in a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. So, is it safe to keep using a doorbell that's ringing on its own? While it's generally safe if the problem is a faulty switch, wiring issues could pose a potential fire risk. In all cases, it's crucial to address the problem sooner rather than later, either through DIY fixes or by calling a professional. Stay safe, everyone. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.